Hello, everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, we will see how to remove black background from video.
Let's see how you can use it in Adobe Premiere Pro.
Here, I have two clips. Just drag and drop the black video above the clips. After that, go to the Effect panel, search Luma key and drag it on black video. Then go to the Effect Controls panel, scroll down and make adjustments.
Here we go.
I hope you like this one. If you like this one, give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.